Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an awesome experience. Showcasing the best of Jamaica's automotive culture.
876 Streets, reppin' for Jamaican's sickest rides.
876 Streets is powered by
Massive Auto Parts. Quality parts and cars at unbeatable prices.
Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
Jeffrey Constructions Limited. It's all in the name.
Hi, my name is Zander Williams. I'm a driver of the black and white BMW, driving in the MP2 class, sponsored by Maxis, Motul and Fuel Depot. So today we had a practice day where every car came out to, do a couple laps for the first time in a while. I had a successful day today. I managed to go down to my personal best time after 2 times at the track so far. So it was a very good day overall, and yeah.
All right. So what was the personal best time you did today?
Oh, so I got down to 129.1. So previously I was in the 130s, last time out. So the previous 2 times I was here. So, it's showing improvement, and hopefully if I get to run on new tires on a new track on like race day, I can hopefully improve more.
Cool. Were there any challenges leading up to this track day?
No, it's just, we came here just to make sure everything was going on right with the car, and so when we made sure everything was right, we had a few hot laps, and that was all.
And the car held up?
Yes, it did, thankfully. Alright, so I'm excited to go to Dover Raceway on December 1st for my personal debut at Dover. I had driven at Jam West before earlier in the year, so I'm looking forward to driving at Dover for the first time. It's going to be very fun and exciting, and I'm looking forward to the competition. Hopefully a lot of cars come out in my class, so it's going to be fun. Yeah, it's big up to my sponsors again, Motul, Fuel Depot and Maxis for providing the tires. So, thanks to all of them for letting me drive.
Yeah. Let's go. We just gotta go hard.
Hi, I'm Andrew Messias, driving IP3 class with the Evo 10, the purple machine. Yeah, it was a good day. We became prepared to really push the car. We've been getting prepared for the last few months. We had some challenges with fuel and transmission back at Jamworth a few months back, and we got a little bit more prepared for this race. For this track day. We changed out those things. We had a good day with fuel, and we felt good on the training. So really we need to dial in now our suspension and just some minor tweaking to get the car ready for December 1. So it's been a good overall day. Glad to see a lot of people out, and I think it's good for the sport, good for the sponsors. Big up Island Net, I think we'll be ready, getting a little more ready, and let's see what happens.
How do you feel about more Evos joining the bunch?
Oh, I think that's a good thing. I think it's gonna be, it's gonna change the crowd. I think the crowds love the Evos, and I think it makes it more competitive. Let's hope that we all run in the same class for a little bit. maybe some will jump into another class, but right now it seems like they're all going to be in IP3, I believe, and that will be good. It gets competitive, and hey, listen, we'll be ready for you. Ready for all the Evos.
Big up, Andrew. Yeah, man. Respect.
I'm Vijay Bowler. I'm the driver of this 1999 V36 M3 American spec. Carries a 3.2 NA. Came with 240 horsepower flywheel from the factory. Dyno in there about 230. The car is currently entered in the IP2 class, which we're trying to transition from the IP2 over to the IP3. So today wasn't bad for me at all. We did a 133.5 and 132 is the target for IP3. So when we had started off the journey, we started in IP1 and went to IP2. Now we're trying to make the transition for IP3. So, you know, December 1st, let's see if we'll make it there and you see us in IP3. I want to big up my sponsors, Vault Motors, Bowler's Garage, Bowler's Car Rental, and just give them some results for the meet. Today was pretty good. The rain held up, the track was cool. I mean, the track is obviously not in the like dirt and dust on the track because it wasn't being used, but towards the end of the day, the track basically clear up and it's pretty good. And apart from that, everything's smooth.
Cool. Any future plans for this machine or another machine? What's the future looking like?
You know, so we're not talking about it, but we don't stay one place.
Yes.
As time passes, so we're not going to stay here. Just as I said, you know, we'll go from IP1 to IP2 to IP3.
That is what led me to that question.
Right. So let's just see what next year have for me. And you know, at the same time, I have to big up Kentucky, and my next event right now is November.
Yeah.
Come see if we can lower our little personal record there too. So
which is what,
9.7.
What?
Carry it about maybe 1.95 or 1.94, then at least we know me carry it lower. And you know me is a motorsports man though.
That is it.
Most important to 10 spot.
Vijay, big up.
Big up yourself.
Alright, respect. See you. We are here with Sebastian Ray. Bossy, how things?
Sir. Well, I don't know what to say, how to start.
How to start?
A rough weekend.
Really?
But I guess that's what Piss and Tunes are for.
Wow. I mean, before you get into it, I realize behind you is one of the cars that brought a lot of circuit racing fans to Dover.
Triple Diamond.
Yeah. It's a Mitsubishi Evolution.
It's Evo 6.5.
6.5.
Tommy Mackinnon edition. It was David Somerville's car back in the day.
Wow.
And then Kirk Diaz had it and it been sitting for some years. And
okay.
Recently acquired it.
Okay, nice. I mean, it's great to see the Evos coming back to circuit.
Yeah.
You know. But how was your day overall though?
Well, rough. We had axle problems. We had to go to Ocha and get some parts from Spoon, come back. Axle share again.
Wow.
We went out last night in the night to test and they never locked the bonnet, so the bonnet fly and mash up the windscreen.
Oh no.
We had some parts come from town this morning and we managed to sort out the axle issue. Then we had brake issue, which we haven't sorted out yet.
Okay.
And then in the last run now, we had a mishap where something got sucked in the turbo and damaged the turbo. So a lot of mishaps, but I guess that's what the track days are for, so we can get the gremlins out.
Yes.
December.
And as you were mentioning earlier that you recently acquired a car like maybe about what, 2-3 weeks?
Yeah, about 2 weeks ago, so it's fairly new to us as well.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, we're learning as we go along.
Yes.
And we're hoping to can get it right.
Okay. I mean, I know it's probably a little too early now to ask, but any chances of your fans seeing you in this new machine on December 1st?
Well, I can't say for certain, but we'll be here December. Either we bring back the Honda.
Okay.
If we can't get this ready in time.
Okay.
Because we're going to send up the turbo to America to get rebuilt.
Get it sorted.
The
Okay.
suspension need to change, and I don't know if everything can come in time, but we're going to definitely try.
Okay.
So
Okay.
either way, we'll be here, whether the Honda or the Evo.
Or the Evo.
April next year, definitely. The Evo will be here.
Nice. Well, I mean, you know, sometimes we come to race and we see the cars out there and we don't know the struggles that you guys face.
Yeah, this is the behind the scenes that them don't really see. You know,
They see the glory. They see the glory days, eh?
A lot of blood, sweat and tears and frustration, because on top of all of that,
yes,
my road van, the L200,
yes,
we went down the road, coming up here, I sound the timing belt shear off.
Oh,
we
Lord.
had to send to town to get some parts. My cousin Tiffany brought them from Kingston. So there's a whole heap of rigmarole this weekend, but we'll live to see another day, so
it will pay off in the long run.
That's racing.
You know, it will definitely pay off, and great to see you this weekend. We hope to see you on track soon with this beautiful Evolution 6.5.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. All the best, Embassy.
Big up 87 Street.
Yeah, man. Every time. Oh, by the way, your sponsors.
I need some sponsors. My pocket feeling it now. It's just raised water right now.
Yes.
My garage, but
so
next year we're definitely looking to seek some sponsorship.
So if somebody watching this now and they're interested in sponsoring this beautiful Evolution,
right,
how can they get in contact?
They can contact me at bassiray@gmail.com, or they can give me a call at 365-1961. Either or.
All right.
Yeah, man,
definitely. I mean, we definitely love to see the Evolutions on track. So people out there watching, you know,
bring back the Evo.
Bring him back the Evos.
The rivalry with the Evos. Look out for that.
All right, then, Bossy. One love. Big up.
Respect.
Cool.
I'm Catherine Kinsey. I pilot this 2003 GDB Subaru RRX STI. Sexy. It has been built and tuned by SwiftTune, and it's very reliable, and it allows me to come and compete here at track day, practice at track days and compete in a couple of the races over the last year. I'm excited for December 1, if today is anything to go by. I mean, there was so much support. We had, I think, 19 or 20 cars here today practicing, you know, working out things, getting the rust off of their cars and their bones and their memories in terms of track and, you know, response times, reflexes, all of that. I think everybody was able to get some progress today and get their cars in a place ready for December. So I really think it's going to be good. It's going to be a good, I guess, come back from a long break, but also a nice closing of the year, and drumming us up and vibing us up so that we'll all prepare our cars for 2025 race season as well. So looking forward, and all of you, December 1, pack your bags, pack your cars, and roll out and come and watch some really exciting racing.
All right, Kat. One love. Big up.
Hi everyone, Ian Swiffy Galbraith here at Dover Raceway, driver of the Fleury Canary here, the Yellow Bird, the track. Today we had first official track day since April. We had a good day, we had a great day. Sky was clear, very light drizzle, and the track is usable, prepared by us. You know, we did a lot of cleanup thanks to Island Net, thanks to A1 equipment, thanks to Bowler's Garage, just to name a few. You know, big shout out to all of the, you know, the people in the era from Brownstone that, you know, came and cut the grass with us. Shout out to all the contributors from the club, members, non-members also. Really appreciate it because we got our track to use finally, and a lot of people were really anxious to race their cars, you know, and they got the chance to do that today. As I said, it was a great day. Got to drive my car. You know, it's doing good. But I think the competition has changed machinery. We've gotten better.
Well, let me ask you this, Swiffy. How you feel about the Evos coming back?
Well, I mean, it's exciting. I'm so happy. You know, I told them that I'll get a bigger review mirror, you know, to fit all of them in there. And, you know, I hope that there is more.
Yeah.
I hear there is more supposed to come.
Yes.
It's good to see them. It's good to see the guys put out the effort and come, you know. A lot of them asking for another track day. You know, so we may have another track day before the meet. And we're...
And when is the meet?
The next scheduled meet is December 1st.
Okay.
Yeah, we're trying to have a nice big meet December 1st. You know, we'll have some of the guys back from Brownstone. You know, some old racers doesn't have some cars. So we'll see them back again. And cool. It's going to be great. It's going to be big. The track is going to be, you know, better prepared. By that time, we're going to do some more cleanup. And, you know, we'll have, you know, more infrastructure here. You know, because of Hurricane Beryl, you know, that's a recovery being done, and I mean it's gonna be great, you know. Hope to see you guys in December.
All right.
December.
All right. So, and I guess for fans to stay updated, they can stay tuned to the JRDC Instagram page. And there's also a few WhatsApp groups.
Yes, JRDC product group.
All right,
get into.
Right.
It's for members and non-members.
All right.
And it's JRDC Instagram. We'll be posting pictures and, you know, just footage of today. And yeah, we'll keep information out.
All right. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
All right. Big up, Sophie.
Big up. Thanks, you know.
Every time.
All right.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.